Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to upload long videos to Instagram stories. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Well, before, Instagram stories used to allow you to upload stories up to 15 seconds in length. However, now if you're known and if you have updated your Instagram app, then it allows you to upload videos up to 60 seconds. So if you haven't updated your application yet, then you should head to your Play Store and update your Instagram. But if you want to upload stories longer than 60 seconds, then what you can do is you can use a third-party app to split the videos into 60-second clips and upload them to your Instagram stories. So choose a video splitter application such as CapCut, KineMaster, CutStory, and etc. So yeah, if you want to upload video that is up to 60 seconds, that's exactly 1 minute, then you can directly upload it from your Instagram story panel. But if you want to upload videos longer than 60 seconds, then you might want to check those applications out. So using these methods, you could upload long videos to your Instagram story. Hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.